Regal Cinemas. There are the prices. They also have a customer service desk in case you have any questions or issues with your tickets. And if you subscribe to their app, you get stuff on your birthday. This is a Saturday night, Red Rock. It's not too crazy. It's about 6 o'clock. It's gonna, everyone's getting ready for the 6:30 showing. Not too crazy. Everyone has a mask on. This is a nice theater. I like this theater. And the theater we're gonna go into is, they have nice reclining seats. They also have these self-serve kiosks, so you can get your tickets right at the kiosk. And if you don't want to do that, there's well, actually their booth is closed, so you have to either get it through their app or at that kiosk. All right, here we go. There's the theater, and check this out. This little thing, it reclines the seats, and I'm not going to do that because my popcorn's down there. Let me get my popcorn.
Look at your phone to see your score on the leaderboard.
I'm going to show you.
Now brag about it to your friends. If you
Here goes
the
my
action,
feet.
don't sweat it. Be ready next time
See?
by downloading the
It reclines.
new Arcade app.
You love it? And not only that, sorry, I'm doing it with one hand. The back reclines when you do it. Do you love it?
Download the
This is
new
Red
Arcade
Rock.
app and get to your seat early next time to play.
So when you book this, you have to make sure you look at what you book, because there's one that says stadium seating, and then there's another one that says recliner seats, and you got to make sure you get the recliner seats. Because look at this, with my popcorn, your feet are up. Best thing ever.
We're so proud and excited to be a part of it. Pick up Regal's easiest gift ever. To
You guys, I'm about to watch a movie.
There's no need to visit the cashier.
So much that they ought to love you back.
Don't miss the 80th anniversary of Citizen Kane returning to cinemas for a limited engagement.
Why don't you take this as an
featuring
option?
exclusive insights from Ben Mankiewicz.
There's only one person in the world to decide what I'm going to do, and that's me.
Own it now on digital.